Excuse me, ma'am. I just seen your dog poop back there. Why you didn't pick it up?
Because they said you don't have to on common ground.
It doesn't matter if it's common ground or not. It's my neighborhood. If you don't want to pick your dog crap up, let him poop in front of your yard.
He does. I mean, I pick it up in people's yards.
Okay, but even though that's the common ground, when my kid go to school, my kid stands right there. So, come on now. I live on this block. If you want your dog to poop and you don't want to pick it up, let him poop on your common ground area, not on mine.
Okay, well, does your kid have eyes? I mean, can he?
It doesn't. That's not the point. That's not the point. The point is,
you don't have to pick it up.
I get that, but the point is, this is your dog, right?
Yes, it is.
Your dog took a poop, right?
Right.
It's your responsibility to pick the dog poop up, correct?
In people's yards.
It doesn't matter if it's in people's yard or not. It's your responsibility to clean up behind your dog. It doesn't matter if it's on the common ground, somebody's property, or anything.
Said, I'll go pick it up. If
I appreciate that.
Watch where he goes, then that's
it doesn't matter. It's not just my kid.
Okay.
That's your dog. Clean up behind your dog. Thank you. That is crazy. And I'm finna turn back around to make sure she pick it up. This makes no sense. But let my dog come. Now, if it was my dog pooping on her block, I'm sure she would feel the same way. I'm sure she would feel the same way. Get your dog shit up. That's all I'm asking for. Yes, and I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna watch your ass pick it up. Thank you, ma'am.
Oh, you're welcome.
Fucking idiots. Makes no sense. I gotta tell you to clean up your poop. Your dog shit. It makes no sense. I don't have to pick it up in the common ground. Girl, that's your dog. Wow. It makes no sense. And no telling how many other times she did that. It's just that somebody see her and happen to say something. Just like you gonna say something when my kids is doing something on the common ground or anywhere else. I'ma say something to you. It makes no sense at all. And I know I'm not doing the most. I know I'm not doing the most. That's your damn dog. Clean up behind your dog. Wow. Why should somebody else have to clean up behind your dog? Why even walk on my block? We live in a cul-de-sac. Why not stay on the main street? Don't bring the trash to my block. No, let your dog shit on your common ground in your area. If you don't want to pick it up, don't bring the stench to my block. Boy, that's crazy. I'm sorry, y'all.